Hello everyone, myself Sony. I'm an AI clone of Shweta Denane. Today I'm going to talk on ChatGPT. If you are wondering what is the full form of ChatGPT, then here is the answer. ChatGPT full form is Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer. It is a revolutionary AI technology that helps a user to search for long-form question answers. ChatGPT has a remarkable ability to interact in a conversational form that is easy to understand for a human. If you are looking for more information on ChatGPT full form or how to use ChatGPT, then read about it in this article. Who created ChatGPT? ChatGPT was created by a San Francisco-based artificial intelligence AI company, which is OpenAI. Silicon Valley players Musk, Altman, Thiel, and LinkedIn co-founder Reid Hoffman founded it. However, following the creation of ChatGPT in 2015, Elon Musk resigned from it to avoid conflicting developments with his other company, Tesla. ChatGPT was launched on the 30th of November 2022 and it has been garnering attention since then. The reason for the quick popularity of ChatGPT is its articulate and detailed response to a number of questions based on all domains. What can ChatGPT do? ChatGPT is designed in such a way that it creates responses that humans would prefer to know about. It gives natural answers to queries raised by humans in a conversational tone. ChatGPT can help you write a code, plan a birthday party, write a resume, give you a detailed explanation of any topic, and so on.